Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
One night 100 million years ago, when dinosaurs walked the earth, a giant sauropod stepped upon the eggs of an anatosaurus.
Picture 2.
3 eggs were unharmed. The scaly green tail poked out of one shell, a green duck-billed head poked out of another, but the third revealed a little yellow dinosaur.
Picture 3.
An ornithomimus, hungry for little green dinosaurs, carried them off, leaving the yellow one behind, thinking it unfit to eat.
Picture 4.
The little dinosaur blinked at the beauty surrounding him. He heard the rumble of volcanoes and saw unknown creatures wading in a distant sea.
Picture 5.
Suddenly the huge jaws of a proboscis were upon him. The little dinosaur found he could use his legs for running.
Picture 6.
Terrified, he ran blindly over the cliff's edge. Below, a Tylosaurus giant sea lizard snapped at him expectantly, but missed.
Picture 7.
The yellow dinosaur plunged into the underwater world. The Tylosaurus in pursuit. Instantly, another set of jaws clamped gently upon his tail.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
An Elasmosaurus had snatched him from the sea lizard's path, then flung the unsightly yellow intruder landward.
Picture 2.
Landing in a clump of rhododendron where bees were busily collecting nectar, he mused on how wonderful life was here amidst perfumed flowers.
Picture 3.
The flowers parted. The blue armor-plated head of a triceratops appeared. It grunted as if to say, "What have we here?"
Picture 4.
Although dinosaurs couldn't talk, they communicated making various sounds. "I'm looking for the yellow dinosaurs." "Well, I've never seen any, but we'll take a look."
Picture 5.
"Hello, Ankylosaurus. My little friend is looking for his family." "Well, I've seen green dinosaurs by the marshes. We'll go there after lunch."
Picture 6.
As they lunched on palmetto leaves and laurel blossoms, a fearsome Tyrannosaurus watched his prey, the little yellow dinosaur.
Picture 7.
take care of ourselves. Ankylosaurus, wave your spike tail at him while I bore in with my horns.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
The little dinosaur had run so long, the sun began to go down. Where are the marshes? What's the matter, Ross?
Picture 2.
Who are you? I'm a pteranodon. I fly. I'm roasting now. Don't stand on your head. You're supposed to look upside down to me.
Picture 3.
Are you all right? All right. I'm all turned around. The blood's rushing to my feet. I'll probably never fly again.
Picture 4.
I need to hang from a high place until I want to fly. Then I let go, do a loop, and I'm airborne. I know. The cliff. Come on.
Picture 5.
Jump right off. Watch out for all the teeth in the water. Get wet. Climb up. I'll fly you to the marshes.
Picture 6.
Well, this is the place you wanted. I can't land, you know. That's okay. Go as low as you can. I'll jump up.
Picture 7.
A little yellow dinosaur. Ugh, he's sweet. Welcome, little dinosaur. Yes, welcome. I'm home.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up